Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been working on a design in Canva and thought, these letters just don't look quite right together, then you're in exactly the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust letter spacing, also known as kerning, in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to fine-tune the look of your text so your designs are polished, professional, and visually just the way you want them. So let's jump right in. First, it's important to clear up a common confusion. Canva doesn't actually have a true kerning tool. In traditional design software, kerning means adjusting the space between specific pairs of letters, like tightening the gap between an A and a V if they look too far apart. But Canva only has a letter spacing feature, which affects the spacing between all the letters equally throughout your text box. That works for many cases, but sometimes you need more control to get things looking just right, especially for logos, headers, or anything where each element needs to be perfect. Let's start with the basic way to adjust your letter spacing. Simply select your text box, then head up to the toolbar across the top of the Canva window. You'll see an option labeled Spacing. Click on that and you'll get a slider for letter spacing. Moving this slider left or right will tighten or loosen the space between all the letters at once. This is great for adjusting the overall look if your font feels too cramped or too wide. Try playing around with it a bit sometimes. Just a little tweak makes your text feel so much more balanced and visually appealing. But remember, this changes every single gap between every letter in your selected text, so it won't help if only a few letter pairs look off. Now here's a little workaround if you notice that, say, the E and the R in your bold headline look too far apart, but the rest of your letters look fine. Since Canva doesn't have a per-letter kerning tool, you can manually adjust the spacing between two specific letters. It's a tiny bit more effort, but super straightforward once you get the hang of it. First, click into your text box and highlight the letter or letters that you want to move closer together. For example, let's say you want to bring a single letter right up next to another. Highlight just that letter, cut it with Ctrl+X or Command+X on a Mac, and then paste it onto your canvas. Now that it's its own separate text box, you can move it independently. Use your mouse, or even better, your arrow keys, to nudge this new letter right where you want it, making it perfectly nestled up to your other letters. The arrow keys are great here because they let you get ultra precise, moving in tiny increments for a really clean finish. It might feel a bit fiddly, especially if you're doing it for a whole word, but don't worry, you absolutely don't have to do this with every letter, only the pairs that really need some extra love. And taking those extra couple of minutes can make a huge difference in how polished your final design looks, especially if it's something like a brand logo or a heading on a poster. If your letters look a little off at first, try aligning the baseline. That's the invisible line your letters sit on, to keep everything looking tidy and intentional. And there you go, that's how you can adjust letter spacing and even manually kern your text in Canva, even without a dedicated tool. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions or want to share your tips for working with text in Canva, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.